ICP price climbs as Definity expands AI cloud vision. Breakout is coming. Never know. You never know, but all targets, guys. What I showed you in the previous video is absolutely relevant. A lot of skeptics around the ICP, but who cares about the skeptics, guys? We just traders. We just trade, speculate these assets. And I'll recommend you go and check the previous video about the narrative of AI now in ICP, what they focus in, and check this one. If you didn't know, so they have now the deflationary dynamic of the ICP token. So 295K ICP tokens have already been burned in Zone 26. Finally, we got a deflationary model and the tokenomics. So this is example. So basically, every single coin can have it, can bring some model which burn the supply, or at least they run the token like a BTC model with a fixed supply and all coins in circular supply, or the mining, or I don't know what. But this is example, so it's possible. It's possible, and definitely while they burn the tokens, if the people somewhat didn't know, if they burn the token, less coins in the circulation supply, in general in supply. So the less seller pressure, the higher price value. So that's the point, guys, of the deflationary model, right? That's why we bounce and plus the AI narrative, AI is here to stay. So the previous model, what I showed you set up, laying out, but without me. Sometimes this happens. So yes, my entry was around this order block, but we go into retest it again and reject and broke this high to the take profit line. Sometimes, guys, it's happened, so we can't just gamble without a setup. My setup was here on the test. So the idea was, I showed you, we retested the buy line, we tracked the take profit line, this one, and this the buy line. So we rebounded the buy line. We will leave the one order block and the second one above. So we retested, and I waited the deeper retest at 211. We didn't, and I didn't enter the position because I don't have my setup. If you catch this trade, congrats, you could take the profit now. All right, so we broke this order block, this one done. Under order block, basically still relevant if we count with the week. So I can remove my alert now. Now, guys, we traded over exit line on the daily. If we go to the weekly here, this is a test below buy line. You can find the previous videos, or you can just by yourself use the take profit indicator, open the sum your watch list, and move from coin to coin, double check on the high time frame like weekly, where and what coins now trade on the fundamental value line, so you can be sure the price action will be absolutely the same. For example, next target for ICP is here. What I showed you before, it's a take profit line, 752. You can hate it, you can love it, but we're gonna test this line, not the 752. The price now 752, but in the next few weeks, the line can be, 659. That's why add alert to the line. So pretty simple. And move from coin to coin like this one. Here is ADA, for example, on the fundamental value line. This is a buy line for ADA. So you will see absolutely the same price action and the price movement on other coins. Of course, if we talk about a normal coin, not like a scam one. So we already retested below the buy line. Done. I add this alerts like a trouble area, also possible. So about a summer, I'm expecting the correction. That's why, for now, personally, by end of the May, would be good to see this pump, 769. We never reached this target. $7.69. After that, the summer drop under the downtrend line, consolidation, and the August, maybe September, we go higher. So this is a plan. This is a plan. Can be right or wrong, guys, but at least you have to build a plan. This was the yearly open. All right, let's go to the daily time frame. What we can see here, we trade over the exit line. Time to buy or time to sell, it's up to you guys. For the spot position, if you bought, for the futures position, if you bought it here, of course, it's more than okay to take the profit, guys. It's 86%, 170 with the second leverage, more than okay. Or at least take some profit, it will be never mistake, and add the stop loss to the break even. Pretty simple. I don't see any setup now for the long. For the spot, if you feel okay, accumulate a ICP, you can accumulate it. We around the buy line on the weekly. All right, let's double check the smart money concept indicator. Just a fresh new one. Link will be on the description below. What we can see on a daily, guys. Here, I waited the setup and the broke correction lower, right? So I mark the order block. Let's go turn on the order blocks. This one, this order block, I'm waited. We didn't retest them. And so now here, we'll leave this order block, 236, 234 on the daily order block, but we broke the structure up. So this is it. Should we go higher from now to this downtrend line and higher favorable gap? We can't know. Time will show us. Above, a lot of order blocks and the gaps. So, but it's for the autumn. I think this target is going to be for the autumn, not for the summer. For the summer, I'm waiting this 773, so it's more than real to see. Daily time frame, yes, we broke the structure under some gaps, but we need to sweep this $5, and the road is going to be open to 750. So this is it. Let's double check the ADZ direction market smooth. This is distribution zone on a daily. So for the spot, I think it's more than okay to buy. For the futures, guys, I don't see any setup. For the futures, maybe I will open the position at 258 if we will see the direction. If not, I will be more than okay without a position. Market mood on daily, it's area zone. Soon we will see the signals to sell. Let's add alert on direction, bearish one. Momentum, I will see the notification. I recommend you do the same. And money power and trade on. Here, last signal to buy. Here's a take profit, no signal to sell. Let's add alert. Signals to sell. We will see the notification like it was here at the top. But I think we go higher. Maybe not immediately, but in the next upcoming days. Money inflow, last one was here in May. 1st, 2nd May. Now it's money outflow. Was May 6th. Now nothing. So still no signals to sell. No money outflow on the daily. Pretty good one. No money outflow on the weekly. That's why let's add alerts on the weekly time frame money outflow. Recommend you do the same. Here is a buyback signal. All right, guys. Well, please in a comment what you think about ICP. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show it on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget Joe Matejov Show. See you next time, guys.